Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today I'm unboxing Bullymake box. So this box is for people that have dogs that are power chewers. This box sends 5 to 6 treats and toys each month. Some of them are made by Bullymake themselves, and they're really cool. The boxes are themed. So there's a really cute, it's a cute element and a cute aspect, but this stuff is really healthy and good for your dog. Also, another thing I wanted to mention, they tailor the treats and toys to the size of your dog. So if you have a big dog and you can't find like toys that seem to fit, or maybe you have a small dog that likes to chew and things don't fit in their mouth or whatever, for whatever reason, they tailor it to that. They also cater to allergies. So if your pet has an allergy and you have trouble getting them treats and toys and things like that, not toys so much, but I guess that's a thing too, they help you out. So one other thing that I wanted to say as well, because I love this box for dogs. I wish I had a dog. Just gonna put that out there, but I don't, and I can't. I don't have a fence. Anyway, they have a 14-day money-back guarantee. So if you get the toy and your dog rips that toy apart just like they would any toy you bought at the Pet Supplies, Acme Pet Supplies or whatever, they will refund your money. Or it's a 14-day money-back guarantee. So there's that. Let me see if I forgot anything. I wanted to write everything down so I tell you guys exactly how this works. Yes. All right. And then they do have a shop as well, so you can buy one-off items. So this is the January Bullymake box. I look at it, how cute it is. First of all, the box is orange. It's my favorite color. So here's our card, and then there's always featured items. We won't look at this yet. We'll look at that at the end, I think. And then we'll just pull out. I'm going to do a full review on the blog then too. But I donate anything I don't open up in the video. If I open it up, like last month I opened up the little snowflake treats. I can't donate that then. But I donate everything else, and then I'll just give this stuff to friends and stuff. All right. First we have, this is a Bullymake brand. This is a tough nylon shoe. So what is our theme, like winter? This is the possum stick. I'm looking at the card. I cheated, okay. The possum stick is a great way for chewers to start their 2018. The possum stick is designed for the most extreme chewers, because this is like super hard. Can you hear that? It's like a knocker. It's like plastic, like straight up, but it's nylon. For the most extreme chewers in this fun and uniquely designed shape made by Bullymake. The ridges add for extra chewing interest, and this will stand up to even the toughest of pups. Made in the USA from USA sourced nylon. And that's another thing. Everything is made here in the United States. You know what is in these. So that is a cool thing. So that is like super tough. And the box that they send me as a reviewer is the one for like the top of the tier for the most chewiest dog. the largest dog, I should say. So next we've got, ooh, look at that. Okay, so we've got Best Buddy Bones chicken flavor training treats. Oh, they look like little bread things. This is from Exclusively Dog Cookies. Best Buddy Bones, a healthy alternative to traditional dog treats. Made with natural kosher ingredients. 100% satisfaction guarantee. These look actually kind of look tasty. Sometimes I see these and I'm like, Ashley, you should not be thinking that this is going to be delicious. But whatever. All right. Then we have this cool, look at this. What is this called? Gear. Oh, it's a gear. Haha, isn't that cool? I didn't see it right away. But you can put your little treat, your peanut butter. I don't know what you give your dog. Some pasties. Maybe a stick treat. We got stick treats a couple months ago. Kick into gear for the new year with this awesome gear toy. This month's durable rubber chew toy is a clever treat pocket made to put big treats inside, like large milk bones, bully sticks. That was what we received, a bully stick. And other large chews. This fun new design is also a great retrieving toy that can be thrown like a ball. The gear toy is made in the USA from durable natural rubber. So there is that. And then they do have, you can buy this in their gallery, their product gallery. Why am I saying? I'm having trouble today reading and speaking. It's just happening for me that way. This is $17. All right. Next we've got Bullymake Pork Fumbles. We can't, I don't want to open it. Oh. So in here is healthy dog treats, 5 ounces. This is their package. How cute is this? So this has a whole analysis of the ingredients, but mostly it's pork, brown rice, pea starch, lentils, pecan hulls, tapioca syrup, vegetable glycerin, pork gelatin, lactic acid, natural smoke flavor, garlic powder, onion powder, sodium pyrophosphate, and phosphoric acid. So that's it. It's like 11 ingredients. If you look at the back of any other like store brand dog treats, there's like 70 ingredients. Because I know in cat treats, it's like that. It's like, what are we putting in our pets' bodies? I don't know. Anyway. These, oh, they even have calorie information. 1 treat per 15 pounds per day. So if you have a 60-pound dog, you can give them 4 treats. So there's that. And then we finally have Industrial Dog Sprocket Treats. Oh my goodness, how cute is this? How cute is that? So these match our little gear. They're little, like, sprockets, I guess. I would call them a gear as well, but it's not the same, I guess. So these have no soy, no corn, no salt, no sugar, no wheat, no nonsense, produced for Bullymake. So this is a Bullymake exclusive. Like, so this is made by Bullymake. This is made by Bullymake. This is made by Bullymake. And this is made for Bullymake, which is really cool. So there's only one product in here that's not associated with Bullymake. That's kind of neat. I love that. So that is everything that's in the January box. I think this is super cute. What do you guys think? Isn't this adorable? I love this for dogs. I think too, if you have a dog, it's a nice way to like make giving them treats and gifts like fun. Like it puts like a smiley face on it. You know, not that it isn't fun already, but it's a good way to know where your products are coming from and what you're putting in your pet's body. And it's kind of super cool. I think it's a good company. I'm going to link down below to Bullymake with my affiliate link. I'll also link to my full blog review where I'll go in depth and we'll take some pictures and stuff like that. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.